I'm going to go ahead and do up this one because if you ended up doing the ones and thirds, this is the ones and six. So remember the third where it's G and B? Well, now your right hand is on G, but notice how the left hand is not the one above the B, but that lower B. So you play them together and remember again, that F. We'll try it again. Just point out what's the difference. So earlier from the thirds, you have the B in front, or the thirds, the B is up above. This time the B is below. Notice that. Notice the difference. So play around with that. Why am I pushing scales? Everyone says learn scales. So after we get done with, we got 1, 2, 3, we got several more lessons on this. And I will mess around with these other books as well, but as I keep going with these, and after I for sure get through with these scales, and a little more of these other books, I will actually start introducing transposing. So when you think of something in how to go I'm gonna just play around, or I'm just, rocking around with just 2 notes, but we'll play around with that because I'm still learning it in some ways. So we'll actually learn that way down the road after we're done with scales, because you need to learn that, she just said to transpose it into this key, but what is this key? I don't even know what this is, but now you've already learned your C's. You learned your F. You're learning your G's. And we're going to learn a lot more. So that's why we got to work with these. And I've said, please, not the scales. What I've struggled with. Okay. I know C is 0. But then trying to figure out 1 is G. When you get 2, 3, 4, 5, so forth. So I can get lost to there. But I will show you, because I actually got a piano knowledge circle of fifths that will help. And so anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope this helps. I actually will do one little showdown here to help you what I mean before I close this session out. So, like I said, right hand. While your left hand, instead of, like we said, up there, like the thirds was, this time you're going to go all the way down to down here. Let's try that one again. So you can see the difference versus it was up here last time. Just play with that. It's interesting how piano works once you learn the technique. And once you get this learned, you can, it is true, you can learn any instrument. Because actually, violin starts with this note and works its way up. Just a thought. Because I actually learned that later on, years ago. Anyway, thank you for watching.